Oh yeah, that'll do. No! No, you for God's sake! No dabs. Go on, keep going. Haha, f*** off! You f***ing believe that? Hi there, good afternoon and welcome back to the channel. Once again we're back at the infamous Redgate Mill Lane in East Sussex. It's the most technically demanding lane that we've got round here, and it's always a challenge. In the dry it's challenging, in the wet it's very challenging. Going down it, steep, it's loose, it's very slippy. There's a couple of places that can catch you out if you're not thinking about it. This, however, this is like the crux move, to borrow a climbing phrase. Get into here and getting up that. Now, the preferred route is up on the left hand side. Take a line there and just skip up the rocks there on the left. Just mind your head on the branches. The more advanced route is in the centre. I came here last year with a friend and we tried to conquer the centre and neither of us could manage it. We both got hooked up. Got up the first step okay, but both got hooked up on the second step down there. You can see it's like a Formula 1 raceway. There's that much rubber that's been laid down on these rocks over the years. You should give you more traction, but it doesn't. It just, I mean, these rocks are very smooth. They've been worn smooth by, you know, decades of bikers coming up here and getting caught out. But it's a lovely day. Left it till a bit later, around the 5 o'clock mark. It was boiling this afternoon, so I never bothered coming out. But the aim of today is to get up it without putting a foot down. So no dabbing, no stalling. Come here a couple of days ago and I made it once, but I took a dab about 2/3 of the way up, so it didn't count. And the second time I had a go at it, was flying up it, actually doing quite well, and then bang, a stall. So that ruined that attempt. And it's tiring, it takes it out of you. So I think we did 3 attempts and that was it. So today, hopefully, statistically, you got the best chance of getting it right the first time, haven't you, while you're fresh. So concentrate, take a nice slow drift down it and then hit the bottom and go for it. Sip of water. Couple of deep breaths. ABS, traction control, let's go. The first bit's not too bad. The fun doesn't kick in until just up here. What went wrong there? Looking down at the ground and hit that rock. Alright. No good. Back to go up. Alright, problems there. I messed up just below the slab. Didn't have the revs high enough. Hit a larger than average boulder, took a bit of speed off me and stalled. Now the second part, what went wrong down here? Another mess up on the little step, like I said, to avoid. It's going too slow. What I should have been doing, instead of looking at the step, I should have been looking at there, my line to get up that, and just trusted the bike. But I was looking down at the step, so stall was obvious. Okay, let's go one, take a little breather, back down again for go number 2. Go on, boy. No dabs. Go on, keep going. Haha, f*** off. You f***ing believe that? Oh no. Clutch. Right, nice sip of water. Camera's on, ABS off. The deep breaths. You ought to sort of picture the lane, what you're going to do. Alright, let's go. Alright, knees tight, nice and forward, revs high. Let's go. Oh yeah, that'll do. No! No, you oh, for God's sake! Oh dear. Again a stall, but lines were good. They weren't messed up by the trail. It's just that stall. So I keep the revs higher than you think. Righto, let's have a rest. Heels down, knees slightly bent, elbows up. And that'll do. So what did I do differently that time? Two things. Kept the revs higher and looked further up the trail, past the obstacle and up to the next one. It's true what they say, if you stare at something, focus on it, it's going to give you a problem. So looking down there at the rocks is never going to do you any good. Look up past the rocks and kind of let the bike do its own thing, just sort of balance it when you need to. So there you go, thanks for watching, and it's been an enjoyable but very tiring afternoon. I'm lucky to have somewhere like this relatively close to where I live because it's a great training tool. But yeah, that's it for today. So if you like what you see, you've enjoyed the content, please feel free to give us a thumbs up, and if you're a regular watcher and you haven't subbed, then take the time to sub if you want, and I'll see you on the next one.